Hi, I'm Mike Fine, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to play the African American spiritual Wade in the Water. This tune's in E minor, so we need to know our E minor chord, A minor chord, and our B7. So let's start with the E minor. You're going to use fingers 2 and 3, and they're going to both go on the 2nd fret, but of the 5th string and the 4th string. And I'm going to strum through all 6 strings. The next chord is the A minor chord, and the A minor chord, I take these 2 fingers and I move them down to the 4th and the 3rd string, still on the 2nd fret, and I add my 1st finger here on my 2nd string, 1st fret. Ideally, we strum from the 5th string on down, but if you get this low E in there, that's in that A minor chord too, so it's okay if you do get that 6th string, but try to get it from the 5th on down. There's your A minor. So it's E minor. Move these down and add the 1st finger, and there's A minor, and then back to E minor. The B7 is a tougher chord to grab. To play my B7, I keep my 2nd finger on my E minor shape there, but then I take my 3rd finger and I move it down to the 3rd string, and I place my pinky on the 1st string. These are all 2nd fret. So it's 1st string, 3rd string, and 5th string. Then I take my index finger, my number 1, and I put that at the 1st fret on the 4th string. This chord should be played from the 5th string on down. And you'll notice I'm trying to have nice tall fingers so I don't get any thuds, to get a nice clear sound on each string. Okay, so E minor. Down, B7, E minor, B7. Okay. So the hardest part in this tune, I think, is near the end of the first phrase, or the first section, where it goes A minor, E minor, B7, E minor. It's a tough, quick chord movement. A minor, E, B7. Okay. The next thing I want to show you is how I would suggest strumming this. This tune kind of has this dotted quarter 8th note rhythm. So instead of just a straight strum, I'm going to play taka-taka, taka-taka, taka-taka. So it would be like okay. Now technically that 2nd strum should be an up, but I kind of like the power, the accent of hitting it down. So I kind of like the sound of that. If you wanted to add some extra strums in there, that would work too. So you could still hear that same da, da is in there, but I added some extra strums in between. Totally up to you if you want to try to add that in. Now I'm going to take a look at the 2nd section of music. Same chords, E minor, A minor, B7, but I'm going to change up the strumming feel. So instead of going, I'm going to change it to a bunch of quick downstrokes. They're really downstrokes in 8th notes. So it might sound like this. If I was playing the beginning, it's a bar of E minor, 2 beats of A minor, 2 beats of E minor, then a bar of E minor, 2 beats of B minor, 2 beats of E minor, and then that phrase repeats. So it would sound like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I would repeat that. So I'll do that one more time. A little slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. this tune, you'll see at the very end of the song it says DC al fine. That means da capo, go back to the top, and then stop at the fine. So in this song I would go back to the very beginning, and I would stop where the fine is on the second line of music. So I would play the the end of that phrase. Now I'm back to the top. And then that would be the end of the tune. 1, 2, 3.